How to make 15 buns. Warm 1 1/4 cup of water to 110 degrees. Put all the water into the bowl. Add 1 packet of cane sugar and dissolve. Add 2 teaspoons of yeast to the water. Stir to mix it and allow the yeast 10 minutes to bloom. Measure out 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour to the bowl. Add half of the flour into the water and give a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the remaining flour and whisk to combine. Add all the rest of the flour to the bowl and mix or knead for 10 minutes. Remove dough from the bowl and form into one large ball. Place dough ball in a bowl. Cover and let proof for 1 hour. Pour the risen dough out onto a floured surface. Press some of the air out of the dough. Divide dough into 15 2-ounce pieces. Knead and form into little round balls. Put cornmeal onto parchment paper. Once all the formed balls are on the baking sheet, cover and let rise for half an hour. In a preheated 325-degree oven, bake for 10 minutes.